Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to clear your browsing data on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the menu icon down below on the right side of the screen. Tap on the settings option at the top. After that, you should scroll down to the browser section, tap on it. And here you have the your browsing data feature that you can clear by tapping on the clear button, so that you will get rid of the websites that you have visited while using the Facebook mobile browser. So click on the clear button. And as you can see, here is the date when you have last cleared your browsing data. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.